Hello everyone. In this video, I'm gonna demonstrate how to do sensitivity analysis in two ways. One with elasticity, so calculating sensitivity or elasticity, and two, break-even analysis. So I'm gonna use those columns to do sensitivity or elasticity. Actually, I'm gonna add another column here. And then I'm gonna call this value with 1% increase. And then I'm gonna use these to do the break-even calculation. So first thing I need to do is to capture my base case value. So I'm gonna do a demonstration for direct material. So what I want to do now is first what's the base case values, okay, of direct material and of my objective function. In this case is gross profit. So direct material is in this tab. I'm gonna go and grab it. This is the value. Copy that and then paste special here. That's how I got that number there. And then profits, when direct material is 518, everything else is the same. The profit will be here, this value. Copy that and paste special as a value here. So that's my base case, which is my starting point. Now I'm going to do, first I'm going to start with elasticities or sensitivity. So that elasticity is what happens to my objective function, in our case profits, when my parameter, in this case direct material, goes up by 1%. So I'm gonna go to direct material, and here originally I had just the value 518, and so that I can do sensitivity, I need to link this to a cell. We're gonna call it sensitivity proxy. So I would go to any empty column in that same row and then write 100%. And then I have to link this value of direct material to that 100%. So I'm gonna do equal here and then multiply by the 100%. So whatever is here, I would just multiply that by the 100% to do sensitivity about that parameter. Now I'm ready. So I'm gonna change this 100% to 101. And this would be the new value of direct material. I would copy that. And then I would paste as a value here. And this is the value when increased by 100%. It should be format as a dollar value, so 523. And what would be profit after I increase by 1% direct material? So when direct material is 523, which is the case now, the profit is this much. So I would copy that value and then paste it as special here. Now this is the value. And now I want to know by how much did profit change. So is this minus the space case value? I'm going to do dollar signs here. So I can copy this all the way down if I wanted. If this was a wrong format, I think you may have it this like this. You want to just change the formats. It should be a dollar value. So this tells me that when direct material goes up by 1%, profit goes down by $18,000. So this is the accounting formatting style. The parentheses mean negative. Let me add a row here so I can copy those formulas that I put up there so you can see the formulas while I do the demo. So now the last step is to put this as a percentage. So that is this much percent by dividing by the base case profits. Okay, so this would be the elasticity or sensitivity when a direct material goes up by 1%, profit goes down by 2.86%. So that's the first type of analysis. Now we're going to do break-even. So break-even analysis is the answer to the question, by what percentage direct material change, that will make my profits become zero, break even. Why? Because if it goes any higher than this, I will start making losses. So the way I'm gonna do this, I'll go back here. I could do without changing this, but as a habit, it's a good practice to always reset everything to base case before I do the next analysis. So I'm gonna reset this to 100, and then I'm gonna go to data, what if analysis, goal seek, and then I wanna set cell the profit. So this cell here, the profit to value 0, that's break even. By changing that proxy for direct material, and then do OK. Okay, good. Now I can see 135%. So 35% would be my break-even percentage change. But to calculate it another way and to capture the actual value, I'm gonna copy this and then paste special here. This is the break-even value, which means if direct material goes up to 699, I'm gonna break even. My profit will be 0. If it goes any higher, I will make losses. I will start making losses. So what is that as a percentage change? So in parentheses, the new minus the old, which is the base case, over the old. That's my break even. So that's 35% is also what I got here with the 135. Last thing, I'm just gonna reset this and then I'm done. Thank you.